where I'm looking, into the camera to you. Okay. We are internal central IT as Bosch Digital. We want to provide our internal customers the best tools that they can provide the customers outside with this professional equipment. We're driving actually a hyper-automation and low-code strategy.
We have different systems for different purposes, both legacy and modern systems. So OutSystems is in a strategy of digitalizing processes.
One of the main problems that we faced at Bosch in the business units is they have a lot of demand for digitalization, and the central IT department cannot really provide solutions for everything at the same time.
We have so many use cases, we have so many situations in which the users, the department are just lost in their own process without having proper tools to handle it.
The idea to have OutSystems and a low-code platform for helping the situation is basically, even if we are not the central IT building the applications, at least we are operating the platform. So we decided for using OutSystems for citizen developers because it was easy enough that we believe we can enable citizen developers to work on it.
Time that I took to create the same thing on Python, I think I took around a month to create, and then after I tried something similar on OutSystems because I just wanted to try it and see how it would work. It took like a day. I was like, okay, I can really create a lot of things and faster. I can show the ideas that I have in time for them to still be relevant.
If I had that tool like 10 years ago, I would do amazing things. So I could really see the potential and many things in the architecture of OutSystems, in the reusability and things like that.
We got the confidence that OutSystems is the right platform to force low-code, not only for small apps and for professional developers.
I thought it was only another drag-and-drop tool. Yeah, it has potential to facilitate, but it doesn't block you from going deeper, from developing more complex use cases, and there are lots of things to learn if you wish to develop.
So I'm very happy to provide our customers a much faster time to market for their applications with OutSystems. If I look at the last 3 months, we are around 400 active users. And they have created, in total, if I look on the numbers, it's about 5,000 applications through the last 5 years. For us, low-code is not an alternative to hard-coded development. It's a new business.
Perfect. And that's it. Perfect.